this kind of an evening tea with Pak Badu and with me. Let's try chai masala.
Chai masala, yes. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon guys.
Good afternoon.
I would like to introduce my friend this afternoon. This is Bu Andi Ismi, and then this is Pak Saumi. They are international relation lecturers in Sulawesi Barat University.
FYI,
Yeah.
this is good.
Really?
And I don't know what is called in Indonesia, but
Yeah.
I think it's kind of similar with a carbonated plain water. So a
Yeah.
little bit
Yes.
tastes like Sprite.
I like it. This is the pisang kolak, this is the banana kolak. I'm not sure in English what's that kolak. Maybe
Still cola,
still kolak?
but
Please.
I can say no. I cannot say no
Yeah.
when I got invitation from Pak Badu, since he always, serve
oh, thank you.
all the good things in here.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
The
Thank you
food
very
and the
much.
drink, so-
Okay.
I cannot reject
I
that.
try my best the next briefing, but we have to focus on one topic. Maybe at the time, so maybe
Yeah.
Pak Somi will present whatever.
Yes.
Some kind of English, right?
Mm.
So maybe Pak Somi, you have an idea about that? What's kind of the topic? So.
Somehow to improve IELTS,
Yes,
IELTS sometimes gives you general topics like gardening, like
yeah.
cooking.
Okay.
So-
Okay.
I think our daily life. So
Okay. You mean the daily life activities?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it will improve our English.
Okay.
Besides, we
It's
can
good.
also speak like international relations terms or
I see.
related issues.
That's good. Bu Andi, do you have an idea?
I have told Pak Salmi minutes
Okay.
ago that actually I haven't read any specific topics in international relations just to prepare this conversation
Okay.
discussion today. So I think I'm just gonna let it flow for today because it's the first time. So it is interesting if we can talk about something that more lightly.
Okay,
like,
I do agree about that. So, how about if you're talking about the cooking? I think so
Yeah,
you love
yeah.
cooking and the Indonesians will love cooking.
Yeah,
So, we start from it. But Somi, what's kind of the food you like, and then what's kind of the what's that? The food you what's that? You cook every day, for example.
Okay.
Okay.
I prefer right now.
Yeah.
I prefer the Mediterranean style.
Oh my gosh!
cooking. Yeah.
Mediterranean
Yeah.
look like the Turkey, like the
Like
what's that? The, like the
Italia, French,
Italian.
and
Okay.
then North Africa,
Oh my
some
God.
kind of like that. Because I heard and I read that Mediterranean diet
Okay.
is very healthy
Oh, okay.
since they cook with olive oil.
Olive oil.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah,
I think it's very famous,
And
in Mediterranean.
yeah,
olive
Mediterranean
oil. Yeah.
olive oil, and then they don't consume too much sugar in it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ah,
Yes,
okay.
they bake, they make a dough, but the compositions of the sugar itself is not as much in Indonesia. We can differ between croissant in Indonesia and
Okay.
croissant in France.
Yes.
Croissant in France
I do love the Croatians.
And
So
rich.
I love the Croatian.
enriched with the
Indonesian
cheese,
sugar.
but
Oh.
Indonesia
Mm.
it's too much sugar in it,
Oh my god.
too much carbs in it. So yeah, that's the difference. That's
Okay.
why the French eat croissants a lot, but they still, manage their weight. But
I
yeah.
see. I think you mean that the Croatian in France or in the Mediterranean area, so it's good for health, right?
Yeah.
But it's different with the Indonesia
Yeah.
because we consume a lot of sugar. For example, this afternoon, so this is the sugar, this is the sugar, this is the sugar, this is a lot of sugar here. So how about you, Wendy?
I have to be honest.
Okay.
I am quite capable in the terms of cooking anything.
Oh,
Okay.
But the problem is I only cook once a year.
Ah,
Yeah, you know, we can ever said once that you're very good at cooking when you cook something something special. Like
okay.
I can cook shakshuka, you know.
Sashuka?
Yeah,
What's that
shakshuka.
sashuka? I never heard
It's a
about it.
Middle Eastern dish.
Oh, Middle Eastern.
Really? Because it is the first time for me, you know.
Yeah,
about that.
Middle
No,
Eastern
about that.
Sashuka.
dish is
Sasuka?
really
Is that
easy.
sa and then suka?
Shakshuka. So
Excuse me?
shakshuka.
Shakshuka. Is
Yeah.
it S-A-K?
SHAK.
Okay.
SUKH.
Shakshuka.
Yeah, shakshuka.
And then this consists of what? I mean, the meat,
Yeah.
from the meat, so
Okay.
what?
And the main ingredients
Yes.
is egg.
Mm.
Ah.
So it is very
This is the from what the it's because a lot of kinds of the egg, you know, they're from chicken, or from the duck, or from the what?
chicken.
Oh, from chicken.
Yeah, from
Okay.
chicken. So it is very easy to make actually.
Really?
Yeah, you just need like
Okay. Let
eggs
me know that.
and then tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
A lot of
Okay.
tomatoes and then you know what is daun bawang onions.
Oh, okay.
or-
This is onion leaves, you know. Okay.
Yeah.
And then put in like the black peppers, or maybe the salt.
Yeah,
then
and
this
the
one.
other Mediterranean
like
ingredients.
like the salmis, the olive oil. So
Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
Yes.
It's very easy to make, and I have ever made it like already 3 times.
Okay.
And it is kind of a light dish
Mhm.
from Middle East because many of Middle Eastern people
Okay.
eat them at breakfast.
Oh, see.
Yeah. The other things that I really love to
Oh, this is the suksa.
Sakshuka.
Sakshuka is for breakfast.
for
breakfast.
breakfast.
Mm.
Actually,
Oh, I see.
usually
So
for
that's
breakfast.
why is egg, you know, because in the morning, so you
Yeah.
consume egg. I think it's for health, and then because it consists of the protein, so of course good for health, and then for activity as well. And then
Yeah.
I think that's good for brain as well. You
Yes.
know, for brain. Okay. Anyway, so maybe the next meeting, so I recommend, you know, I suggest you to cook the Mediterranean so that you mentioned before, you know. Don't worry, I will prepare everything here. What kind of the dish, what kind of the food the Mediterranean you like?
Honestly,
Mm-hmm.
I like most ravioli.
Ravioli?
yeah.
What's the
That's
ravioli?
Italian?
What's the ravioli?
Italian, I guess.
Italian, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Italy, French, Egypt, Morocco. It's part of Mediterranean,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So the ravioli comes from Italy,
Oh.
and it's very hard to make it in here.
But
in
let me
Indonesia.
know what's that actually the ravioli?
Ravioli is kind of pasta,
Okay.
but inside of that pasta,
Mhm.
you can put it beef or a fish or something.
Mm. I think this is delicious. I think, right?
Yeah. When you make it right,
Okay.
the taste is quite good and it addicted. It gives you a pleasure in one time when you eat.
I
That's
see. I see. So, what the ingredients, the main ingredients, if you cook the food that you mentioned? So,
I don't know.
this is
It's
olive
quite
oil.
simple. Oh yeah,
Yeah, olive oil, of course, and the tomato.
Yes.
Okay, and then the beef or maybe meat, what kind of the
Pepper
Oh, black pepper.
and cheese.
Oh, cheese. Oh my goodness, because cheese is so expensive here, right?
Yeah. So that's why when I go to Jakarta and back here, I always bring
The cheese.
Cheese,
What
yeah.
kind of the cheese? Because like the mozzarella, so maybe.
Parmesan, maybe?
Yes.
Parmigiano.
Parmigiano.
But be careful with that. I think this is consists of the pig or something.
I don't know.
The pig.
I always choose
Parmigiano.
the halal logo.
Oh, yes, it's good for you. Okay.
Bu Ismi and I already, answer, and now it's your turn. What's your favorite dishes or favorite diet?
Yes, my favorite food and my favorite that I always offer to my guests, is the nasi biryani or maybe guli.
Oh,
Yeah, I actually with it. And then the second one is tom yum.
Tell me.
Oh, yeah.
But sometimes I'm bored about it. I bored, because almost every time. So I offer to my guests to come here and then eat the biryani, kabulis or whatever. Similar with that, like the kapsa, like the mandi. and then as well as is tom yum. So my favorite is tom yum because this is the simple one, and then you just put it in. The what's it? The water boils, you know. The boiled water, I mean, and then you put it like the lemongrass or galangal, so maybe
Galangal.
That's
That's
what's
danar.
that?
Danar.
Danar.
Oh my god, Danat. Okay.
That
What's
my-
the topic?
Yeah, this is topic about the cooking, you know, because
Oh,
we're
it's
talking
about
about the
cooking,
cooking.
yeah.
What's kind of the favorite you food? How about the something that maybe you can cook in your home, like that? But Somi already explained to us about the Mediterranean dish, you know, and but
Me,
yeah,
I am
saksuka.
also
You know,
in.
that saksuka. I think this is the new food.
Saksuka.
Saksuka. And then me, of course, you have already know about that is kabuli or maybe what's that? Biryani and then tom yum. I do love that cooking almost every time. So you know, when someone maybe ask me, okay, want to visit your home, and then what kind of the food did you offer to me? So I ask them, I offer them, okay, maybe tom yum. How about you, Pak Kapro?
For me, my specialty is
Okay, what's that?
noodles.
Noodles. Oh my god.
Instant noodles?
This everyone know about the noodle, right? Since I was in senior high school, so you know, almost every day
Yes, I gave it to my wife.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I thought that like, you know, ayam taliwang or something
Yeah.
from
I do love to eat.
Ah, my
In
god.
terms of cooking, it's different.
Okay. Yeah, okay.
Okay, you have to try. This is what's that? Chai masala.
Chinese.
Yes,
Oh,
Thai masala.
Indian.
Yes, Indian. Ini muhabbet deh. So let's try it. Pak Kapro, so let me know what's the plan for you future, you know, for example 1 year ahead and maybe 2 years
In
ahead
terms of
for our
study program,
Yes.
you know, it is it's like my concern about our what do you call it, specialty or
Yeah.
Yeah.
Distinction?
what distinct us from other
Yeah.
transformations
I see.
department from other universities. So it's been several months I've been thinking of what is actually our strength that can be used as our distinction from others.
Okay.
I'm thinking about some points here. Like first is like disaster diplomacy.
I think it's a good
Like,
idea.
Disaster diplomacy, or maybe
What
we're
else?
talking about like cultural diaspora.
Oh yes, good.
Because we have so many Mandaris people that live in
yeah.
abroad
Yes.
for generations,
Yeah.
and maybe what is their maybe remittance or they gave back to their homeland, their so-called homeland, just West Sulawesi. So I think still those two
Okay.
points that came up to my mind.
Anything else? I mean, for the students, for example.
For the
I
students,
think yes, for students.
yeah, for students, I think there should be many like trainings for students, for our students, because we've seen for the last few years that our students kind of lacking of like practical skills.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Practical skills. So I don't know whether it is will be put on our curriculum or maybe outside. But I still I believe that we have to put this on concern because the quality of our students need to be
Enhance.
Improve
Very
in the
improve.
face.
Okay. I think those things that you have mentioned about the program for the lecturers and then for our department as well, and then as well as the students. But of course, we need the budget, you know, for covering and then for supporting those program. So how about the budget? So I worry about it and considering about it because we have still problem with the budget from our university, for example. So I think you can what's that? look for the opportunity, to get a supporting budget from, outside, because this is very important. Without the money, without the budget, bullshit, you can
We can
do
move
everything
forward,
right. Yeah. Honestly, this is the important thing. So how about that, Pak Kapro? So you have to consider about the thing about the deeply, Okay, what's that?
Budget, yeah, it's kind of hard to find
Uh-huh.
like, what is called programs or fundings from
Yeah.
outside. But I've been thinking of making like MOU
Okay.
agreements with some of the embassies.
Oh yeah.
Some of the
Yeah.
embassies, like
Oh, I
maybe
see.
if
Embassy.
U.S. embassies
Okay.
cannot give us funding, maybe we can turn to China's embassy.
Yeah. That's smart move, I think.
Yeah.
Because we are one of the newest province in Indonesia, so I think we have apa bahasanya? Kita
When
bisa
can I
lebih
plug
care
in
lah.
my?
I think
maybe
so.
inside.
Inside, yes. You can look for. Okay.
But I don't know, it's still apa ya? Kayak still going on my mind.
Yeah.
Yes.
Because wherever you want to put in our department, I mean, in terms of the programs or whatever, we will support you. Don't worry about that. But let me know about Solmi. So Anabot, you can respond. So what the Pak Kapro talk about the three things. The first one about the lectures, about the program, the students, as well as budget.
Oh,
Our department. So please.
okay. I think the ideas that our coordinator proposed is very good,
Okay.
especially in the regarding to the lack of practical skills in students. Somehow they cannot make some proper, scientific papers. They cannot make some proper
I
presentations.
see.
So I think that the department needs to have a program to improve their practical skills.
Yes.
They need to go out. They need to, we need to dig them. Yeah.
Okay.
Make them to dig their skills
Okay.
in their in presentations, in
Yes,
speaking. In making some scientific papers.
And then in bottom line, so you mean that the digital soft skill is very important to our students, right?
Yeah. That's
Our lecture as well.
Yeah, and for the faculty members,
Yes.
for the lecturers, I think we need to make our lecturers more have a capability in doing scalable research.
Okay.
Somehow, maybe we do a lot of research, but yeah,
The impact.
just so we don't have a big impact in
Yes,
society. So
exactly,
that's why
exactly.
the ministry has Campus Berdampak.
Yes,
Because
yes.
our research ended up in report. So I think the department needs to enhance the lecturers to have more research skills, and for the budgets. Yeah.
But of course, this is not only your responsibility, Pak Kapro. Of course, all of us. Don't worry, we'll help you. For example, for me, in LPDM, so I will. Hello, guys.
In US there is
Yes.
a program that's very
Okay.
popular
Okay.
called Late Night with David Letterman.
Oh, really?
So I think that we can make late evening with Nasir Bari.
This is a good idea. This is a good idea. But my big problem is I'm sleepy when 9
Evening like
Evening?
Last time, yeah.
like this
Oh,
time.
okay,
This time.
okay. Good. Okay.
Not night but evening
Yeah.
like this.
Okay, evening. Okay, thank you. I will do that. Thank you very much.
With a proper,
Camera setting.
cameras and then
Ah,
tripod, and then
okay.
you can make it in.
I have to buy the net one because I only have this one. But thank you very much, Pak Tommy, for suggestion about that.